Hello, this is Inder Kumar.
And this is Syed Zishan.
Our project is Waste to Energy running a generator on trash. Project supervisor is Dr. Fareed Hussain Mangi and co-supervisor is Engineer Shakil Ahmad Jiskani. The contents of this presentation are introduction, problem statement or motivation, literature review, aims and objectives, methodology, block diagram and hardware implementation diagram, results, conclusion and future work, and references. Coming towards introduction, what is waste to energy? Waste to energy is process of generating energy in the form of electricity or heat from primary treatment of waste. Firstly, waste is collected, then it is transferred to plants where waste is processed to different forms of energy like fuel, gas, or electricity. What was problem statement? The problem statement is waste is not properly treated in Pakistan. It is open dumping and open burning of waste causes global warming and other health issues. Motivation. As we know, Pakistan is an agricultural country that produces large amount of waste from every seasonal crops like rice, sugarcane, cotton, maize, etc. This bulk amount of agriculture waste can be used to produce clean and environment-friendly fuel, which is synthesis gas or syngas. The syngas can be used for different applications such as running the generator, vehicles, or in household for running geyser or stove, and also used in gas turbines. Literature review. We have done literature review from different sources like waste management practices and waste to energy potential in Pakistan and solid waste characterization techniques or methods and different types of waste to energy options. Their sources are given here. Aims and objectives. This project aims at making small-scale waste-to-energy plant prototype. Our primary goals are: we want to develop a prototype waste-to-energy plant that run the generator and produce syngas. To generate the syngas through different composition of agriculture waste, we have used sawdust and yard waste. To investigate the results obtained from prototype to distinguish between different agriculture waste compositions. Methodology. We divided the methodology into two basic steps. First step is to design and develop a small scale fixed bed updraft gasifier to produce syngas from agriculture waste, which is subdivided into three steps. Firstly, syngas production from different agriculture waste composition, especially that we used yard waste and sawdust. The syngas will be used as a fuel to run the generator, and with the help of prototype results, calorific value, gasifier efficiency, and other parameters are calculated. In the second step, comparison and analysis of the data collected from the waste to energy plant prototype is done. Block diagram of prototype. This is the block diagram explaining our prototype. This is the stove to provide heat. This acts as a fixed bed updraft gasifier. From here, the produced gas goes to the steam tar condenser filter. Here, tar is trapped and steam is condensed, from where syngas moves to the smoke filter, where smoke is filtered from the syngas, and hence pure syngas fuel is obtained, which is given to generator to run the application. This is the hardware implementation diagram of our prototype. Feedstock. We have used two feedstock as already discussed. The particle size of sawdust is taken as 25 millimeter, while the particle size of yard waste is taken as 40 millimeter. This is the approximate and ultimate analysis of sawdust and yard waste respectively. Now my group mate says Ishan will explain further.
Yeah, and now what we have done, we have on our hardware, we try to store the gas and by using two composition of waste and the fixed bed updraft gasifier, we use it to store the gas. And for this, we have used two experiments, one on sawdust, another is on yard waste. So pre-experiment arrangement is done in such a manner to calculate the weight of sawdust and yard waste and empty tube. And we have used in the stove 5 kg of waste. A smoke filter is a smoke filter having a filter along with the wood shaving. And you can see steam tar condenser containing a little amount of water to trap the tar or condense the steam. Now moving towards the experiment video. As you can see, as you can see at initial level, there is no production of syngas. After a few minutes, the syngas started to produce as shown in video 2. As the gas is being produced, we started to store it into the gas tube. You can see. Yeah. After the gas production, we stored into the gas tube, and then we move toward the generator selection. Generator selection is considered on the basis of a small rating of gas kit generator available into the market and low pressure. You can see here is the specification of the generators, gas kit generator. Now, after the gas production, we move toward the generator running on the produced gas. Okay. Now these are the results that we have taken from our prototype, and we compare the post composition results. And these are the graphical representation of the results. You can see these results are carried on the calculations given by the formula here. You can see. And our conclusion is simply we just have made a waste to energy plant prototype in which we designed our hardware components, and we tried to use two composition, sawdust and yard waste. On the basis of these two composition, we produced a syngas and tried to run the generator, and other parameters such as gasifier efficiency, fuel consumption rate, and other parameter is being calculated. Comparison is done on the basis of generation point of view, and we concluded that sawdust is better from yard waste, as shown into the graphs or results. And the future recommendation is that if someone want to continue this prototype, they have to use different composition of agriculture waste. On the basis of that agriculture waste, they can compare their results or calculate other parameters that we could not find. And this is our FIP poster. As you can see, everything is being summarized into this poster. Objective, introduction, problem statement, proposed solution, and this is the block diagram that is already being shared with you. And this is the hardware implementation diagram. All the results obtained from this prototype is being compiled here, and you can see graphical representation of the result, application, and the conclusion. And these are the references. And thank you so much.